Although today has been the Game Changer launch, we have been working as a team as part of Game Changers as well within Netcore. We've been working with multiple clients, whether it's FMCG, retail, and many other sectors, on having different ideas using different building blocks of technology and serving the brands or agencies' needs. Now, this has been kind of our strength for the Game Changing team. So while Netcore has been in business of enterprise communication and marketing solutions, we thought that we'll create a team and an initiative that better helps brands and clients and agencies understand our skill. And Game Changer is that initiative that we've launched. All depends on what kind of product, what kind of target audience, what kind of segment you want to target, right? And what is your brand's goals? Is it brand awareness? Is it customer servicing? Is it customer engagement? Is it loyalty? Is it gratification? Is it customer acquisition, post branding? So depending on the need of the brand or the agency brief, right, a solution has to be crafted. And that solution crafting comes so just like in the case of, we all have played with toys, different kinds of toys, right, where there are different blocks. And two siblings in the same household can take this. Our strength is to use building blocks of technology, whether it's email, whether it's mobile, whether it's SMS, whether it's voice, whether it's mobile internet, whether it's a missed call, and putting them all together. But what is the creation? The creation is not those technologies or the glue. The creation is the idea of what needs to be done in the first place, right? So Game Changers are a lateral ideas initiative. So where we bring lateral ideas to amalgamate technology to service a brand's needs. Like in all mediums that are new, the first question that needs to be asked is in fact not ROI, but can you do without? Okay, and I think the question has been asked in the last several years. And more companies are realizing that without using digital media, one cannot do a sustained marketing campaign. So it's all about now what is the media mix rather than one versus the other. So then again I go back to the answer of what is the brand's goals? Is it brand awareness? Is it customer acquisition? Is it engagement? How are these things measured? For example, how is customer engagement over a customer's lifetime measured, right? How do you calculate ROI on that? So I think it's early stages of maturity of the medium to understand all of that in the context of the brand's goals. Again, it just depends on what is the brand you're talking about, right? So let's say 80 years ago, when there were typewriters, right? Did one need a computer? Did one need a tablet? Did one need even the internet? Even the largest internet company at the time, Digital, the CEO of that company said, well, less than 5% of the world will ever need a computer. And boy, was he wrong. So with that humble thing to learn from history, if you will, I would leave it that marketers will eventually use digital technology. What digital technology they use? Because even TV in some ways is digital. Digital and internet will merge. Mobile and internet have already merged, Even 10 years back, internet was one medium, mobile was another medium. Today, mobile internet is the same, it's a merged medium. Tomorrow, some of the operators will launch digital TV, which the same TV channel you can see on your mobile internet. And this will be available to the mass audiences even in rural areas and even at the lower levels of society. So which medium are we talking about that one must not use? Once one understands that fundamental aspect, then it's not about not using, but it's about adopting what is there and with the masses. In the case of the Levers campaign, it did not work as a standalone medium, but there are campaigns that have worked as standalone mediums. Again, it depends on the brand and this thing. For example, in India Against Corruption, what is the brief? Okay, when we did a campaign for India Against Corruption, Arvind Kejriwal and Anna Hazare at the time were meeting lots of people in rallies. Right? What is their marketing need? The marketing need was to spread the word virally to people who had not attended the event and to continuously engage with the people who had attended the event and to take spot surveys from people who they knew had attended and not attended the event. So which is the most effective medium? What they used was a missed call and SMS. Okay, these two building blocks. Okay, it was attached with on-ground speeches, but the continued engagement is what digital helped with. One can categorize Indians, of course, are very diverse species across religions, economic strata, all of that, right? So any question by itself is not good enough for a large set of people and is good enough for a small set of people. Any question in marketing. Okay. So the trick is for every brand to say which one for my brand's needs, who do I need to go after? If somebody else tells him that this is the target segment he needs to go after, how much data can he get on that target segment to really verify that target segment? Maybe he can save 90% of potential costs on that target segment itself if he had one small bit of information, perhaps the gender, perhaps the age, perhaps the family size, right? And based on that, then you can say what mediums to use in the first place to reach. We at Game Changers have technology and a platform that can integrate data solutions of targeting and segmentation with digital solutions of reach and engagement.